Okay. Hi everybody, it's time for You and Kimoti. You and Kimoti の時間が参りました。Today, we would like to present to you about the new AI service from the OpenAI. で、今日はちょっと OpenAI から新しくサービスに出たので、お話ししたいと思っています。That new service name is ChatGPT O1. ChatGPT O1 っていう名前で、多分、maybe this service should be called ChatGPT 5. This is my guess, my suggestion, my opinion. But OpenAI named this service ChatGPT O1 because of the marketing issue. で、マーケティングの必要性によって、OpenAI がこれをChatGPT O1 っていう名前にして、で、本来だったら順番から言うと私はこれは ChatGPT 5に相当するものだと思っています。で、多分来年 ChatGPT 6に相当するものが出てくるんで、またこれは多分 OpenAI は新しい別な名前をつけるんだと思います。You were already survey about what ChatGPT O1 is. で、今がすでにこの ChatGPT O1 って何かっていうのを調べてくれてるんで、今日はその話を聞きたいと思ってます。You are ready to start?
Yes, Kimoto-san.
Okay, let's begin.
Very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our Yuva and Kimoti's weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI tech tools. 皆さん、おはようございます。毎週日曜日のYuvaとKimotiのライブセッションへようこそ。今日も最新の AI 技術ツールについてお話しします。Well, yes, so today's topic it is about GPT-O1, which was released. Okay, let me share my screen before that. Okay, so this actually just released this September. And you might already know about GPT-4o, but today we will explore what makes this GPT-O1 different and how it can solve complex problems in science, coding, and mathematics. So let's dive into it. 今日は今月9月にリリースされた OpenAI の新しい推論モデル GPT-O1 をご紹介したいと思います。もしかしたらすでに GPT-4o に推定しているかもしれませんが、今回は GPT-O1 が同様に異なり、科学やコーディング、数学などの複雑な問題を解決できるかを見ていきましょう。Well, so what is GPT-O1? GPT-O1, think of it as an AI that takes more time to think before answering. Previous models like GPT-4o are quick to respond, but GPT-O1 carefully works on through the problem, making it particularly useful for more difficult challenges, much like a researcher or student tackling complex math or science. 簡単に言うと GPT-O1 は答えを出す前により時間をかかって考える AI です。以前のモデル GPT-4o は早く答えを出すけど GPT-O1 は問題をじっくり解決するため難しい課題に特に役立ちます。例えば、研究者が学生が複雑な数学や科学の問題に取り組むように。So for example, if GPT-4o, it is like someone quickly solving easy problems. And then this GPT-o1, it is like a person carefully working through tough problems step by step. So this is why it is so effective in fields like science, coding, and mathematics. So for example, human, we always try to use like when we are thinking, we will be like, the same this GPT-o1 will be doing. So there will be it will be stating uh, GPT it is thinking. Later we will show you that. Okay, 例を上がると GPT-4o は簡単な問題を素早く解く人のようなものですが GPT-o1 は難しい問題を一つ一つ丁寧に解く人のような感じです。そのため、科学やコーディング、数学の分野で特に効果的です。Okay, Kumada-san, so far okay?
Okay.
You want to add anything?
No problem. No problem. Go ahead, please.
Thank you. Okay, so you might be asking, why do we need GPT-o1 if we already have GPT-4o and other AI models, right? 次に GPT-o1 が必要なのはなぜでしょうか? So before we go deeper, I would like to show you a video from OpenAI's website. So this will help you to understand the concept more easily. 私は詳しく説明する前に OpenAI のウェブサイトにある動画を見てみましょう。Okay, so I would like to share the video. There are many videos, so I have selected this one actually.
In a word, strawberry. So let's start. The first example I have is very simple. This just counting the letter R's in a word, strawberry. So let's start with the traditional, like existing model, GPT-4o. So as you can see, the model fails on this. There are 3 R's, but the model says there are only 2 R's. So why does this advanced model like GPT-4o makes such a simple mistake? That's because models like this are built to process the text, not with the characters or words. It's somewhere between, sometimes called a subword. So if we ask the question to a model, a question that involves understanding the notion of characters and words, the model can really just make mistakes because it's not really built for that. So now let's go on to our new model and type in the same problem. This is an O1 preview, which is a reasoning model. So unlike the GPT-4o, it starts thinking about this problem before outputting the answer. And now it outputs the answer. There are 3 R's in the word strawberry. So that's the correct answer. And this example shows that even for seemingly unrelated counting problem, having a reasoning built in can help avoiding the mistakes because it can maybe look at its own output and review it and just be more careful and so on.
Okay, so as we saw in the video, AI doesn't always provide perfect answers, but the GPT-o1 model demonstrates its differences and the capabilities. 動画に見たように AI は常に完璧な答えを提供するわけではありませんが GPT-o1 モデルは AI の違いと能力を示しています。So let's continue. Why do we need GPT-o1 if we already have GPT-4o and other AI models? Okay, so why? Because the answer it is simple. GPT-4o GPT-4o1 better in problem solving, while GPT-4o it is good for simple task. And GPT-o1 it is built for more challenging ones. For example, imagine solving a difficult puzzle. So GPT-4o might give you very quick answer, instant answer, but GPT-o1 would break the puzzle into smaller pieces and solve each part carefully. So in fact, during the International Mathematics Olympiad, GPT-4o solved only 13% of the problems, while GPT-o1 solved 83%. 簡単に言えば、より優れた問題解決のためです。GPT-4o は簡単なタスクに優れていますが、GPT-o1 はもっと難しい課題に対応するために作られています。例えば、難しいパズルを解くとき、GPT-4o は素早く答えを出しますが、GPT-o1 はパズルを小さな部分に分けて順番に解決します。実際、国際数学オリンピックでは GPT-4o が13% の問題を解決したのに対し、GPT-o1 は83% を解決しました。はい。木本さん、ここまで大丈夫ですか？
Okay.
何も追加したいですか？ Do you have anything to add, 木本さん at this time?
No problem, no problem. Go ahead, please.
Okay, great. So, as of the latest update, ChatGPT Plus and team users can access the O1 preview and O1 mini models. So, with weekly limits of 30 and 50 messages. OpenAI is working on increasing these limits and automating the model selection. So, they also plan to make this GPT-O1 mini available for users, free users soon. And since I am using Plus account, I will try O1 preview. Okay, so 最新の情報によると、ChatGPT プラスと Team のユーザーは O1 プレビューと O1 ミニモデルにアクセスできて、それぞれ週に30件、50件のメッセージの制限があります。今後、OpenAI はこの制限を増やし、自動モデル選択も導入する予定です。無料ユーザー向けにも O1 ミニが間もなく公開される予定です。今、私はプラスアカウントを使っているので O1 プレビューを試してみましょう。So, I'm going to show you the demonstration now. Okay, it's demo time. I have recorded a video before, so since I am using free Plus account, I could select the model. Okay, so first I am going to select the model, and then I'm going to ask a question. Okay, first I'm going to select GPT-4o. And my question, how about this math problem? So, if x squared, y squared plus y squared equal to 25 and xy equal to 12, so what are the values of x and y? 数学の問題はちょっと試してみましょう。x squared plus y2 は25か25です。かつ xy は12の場合、x と y の値は何ですか？ Okay, so this is the answer that I got this from GPT-4o. And I would like to ask the same question to GPT-01. Wow. So it has 4 possible answers here. Okay. So now GPT-01 preview. ちょっと同じ質問を GPT-01 にもしてみましょう。Okay, now it is thinking, and then did you see that? Okay, so it actually thought for 6 seconds. So it has only 2 options here. The answers are 2 possibilities it mentioned. So I think it seems that O1 preview explains the problem with a simpler formula and provides more precise answers compared to GPT-4o. すると、GPT-01 はシンプルな式で問題を説明し、GPT-4o よりも正確な答えを提供していることがわかります。Okay, so how about try another question? So it's about a new product, and I would like to ask this GPT-01 and 4o to plan to create a marketing plan for me. Okay, so let's give it a try. 次の質問は新製品のマーケティング戦略についてです。Okay, so let's type the question. Okay. Okay, and then next, let's go to GPT-01, the same question. Okay, it is thinking actually. 今、答えを考えています。Wow. Okay, so I think this GPT-01 gave detailed marketing planning with strategic steps, while GPT-4o provided a quick, basic outline of what you need for a marketing plan. So I think from this we can clearly see the differences between GPT-4o and the latest GPT-O1。さらに、GPT-O1 は、ソーシャル、これをもう一回。はい。詳細なマーケティング計画を戦略的なステップで示し、GPT-4O は基本的な概要を素早く提示しました。これで2つの GPT-4O と GPT-O1 プレビューの違いがはっきりと見えてきましたですね。Okay, so let's get back to this. So after we try this GPT-4O, the GPT-O1, so will humans fully rely on AI for everything in the future? And when AI can think and answer like a human, I think it's amazing, but also makes us wonder what the future holds. So will AI become a better version of humans? That's still a question, an open question. While I'm actually excited about this AI tools to be productive and the productivity boost, about AI's productivity boost, the future remains unpredictable actually. では、将来人間は全て AI に頼ることになるのですが、AI が人間のように考えて答えることは驚異的ですが、未来がどうなるかはまだ分かりません。AI がより優れた人間になるのでしょうか。これについてはまだ答えがありません。私は AI による生産性向上に期待していますが、未来は予測できません。Okay, so now let's get back to our topic. 話題に戻りましょう。So why we should use this GPT-O1? Why we should use this GPT-O1? Who actually can benefit the most from GPT-O1? GPT-O1 actually great for people who work with complex problems like healthcare researcher, physicists, and developers. So, for example, healthcare, they actually can use it to analyze cell data, and physicists can use it to generate complex formulas, and developers can rely on GPT-O1 to build workflows and write complex code. So if your work requires solving difficult problems step by step, then GPT-O1 is an excellent tool for you. GPT-O1 はどんな人に役立つのでしょうか。GPT-O1 は複雑な問題に取り組む人にとって非常に有用です。例えば、医療研究者、物理学者、開発者などです。例は、医療研究者は細胞データを、セルデータですね、を分析するために GPT-O1 を使うことができます。物理学者は複雑な数式を生成するために使うことができます。開発者はワークフローの構築や複雑なコードを書くために GPT-O1 に頼ることができます。Okay, then next I would like to introduce this GPT-O1. This is going to be released for our free users. So this is actually a smaller faster and a cheaper version of GPT-o1 specifically designed for tasks like coding, where deep reasoning isn't as necessary. So, for example, if you're a developer who needs quick, cost-effective help with coding, O1 Mini, it is 80% cheaper than the full version, making it a great option. 次にGPT-O1 をご紹介します。これは GPT-O1 の9月版で、より高速でアンプラなバージョンです。コーディングなど深い推論が不要なタスクに最適です。例は開発者が素早くコスト高価なサポートを必要とする場合、O1 ミニはフルバージョンの80%のアンプラです。木本さん、so far okay? Clear? How about my Japanese pronunciation?
大丈夫です。はい。
大丈夫ですか Okay. Great. Because I think today's topic, it is a very long topic with the translation. Okay, and then next we have the safety and the alignment. So safety, it is a major focus for GPT-O1. OpenAI has partnered with AI safety institutes in the US and UK to ensure the model follows strict safety guidelines. So it's been rigorously tested and is much harder to trick than the previous model. So for example, in one safety test, GPT-O1 scored 84 out of 100 compared to GPT-4o scored 22, the safety testing. 安全性も GPT-O1 の重要なポイントは、OpenAI は米国や英国の AI 安全機関と提携して、モデルが厳格な安全ガイドラインに従うようにしています。GPT-O1 は徹底的にテストされ、以前のモデルよりもはるかに騙されにくくなっています。例えば、ある安全テストでは GPT-O1 が100点中84点を獲得したのに対し GPT-4o は22点でした。Is it okay, Kimoto-san?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then next one we have, before the conclusion, we have the comparison with the GPT-4o. Okay, so first it is the reasoning. GPT-O1, it is much better at handling complex reasoning tasks, while GPT-4o, it is faster for everyday use. And the speed, GPT-O1 takes longer to respond because it carefully thinks through the answer, but it's more accurate for tough problems. And then the features, GPT-4o has more features like web browsing and file uploads. But for the current moment, GPT-O1, it doesn't have these yet. But future updates, we are expecting for this kind of features, web browsing and file uploads. GPT-O1 と GPT-4o の違いをまとめると以下のようになります。まずは推論です。リーズニング。GPT-O1 は複雑な推論タスクの処理が得意ですが、GPT-4o は日常的な使用にはより早いです。スピードは GPT-O1 はじっくり考えて答えるため、応答スピードは遅いですが、難しい問題にはより正確です。機能は GPT-4o には Web 検索やファイルアップロードなどの機能がありますが、今 GPT-O1 にはまだ ありません。将来的なアップデートが期待されています。Okay, so finally, at conclusion, to sum up this GPT-01, I personally feel it is GPT-41. It is great for solving difficult problems and helps scientists, developers, and researchers work more efficiently. And I think it is a big improvement in how AI thinks and solve tasks. まとめとして GPT-01 は難しい問題を解決するために優れたツールで、科学者や開発者、研究者がより効果的に作業するのを手伝います。AI の思考や問題解決能力が大きく向上していることがわかります。So I think that's all from my side today, Kimoto-san. Do you have anything from your side?
Okay, thank you for your presentation, Yuval. Do you have some information about the pricing of the GPT-01?
No, Kimoto-san. Actually, if we...
No.
Yes, for now, no.
Okay. If you could get pricing information, please inform this live.
The pricing information so far as I checked.
If you could get actual pricing information, and well, if possible, we would like to have a live session about ChatGPT-01 again.
Sure, we can do that. I think we're supposed to do this part 1, part 2 because it is a longer topic. It has longer content. Okay, never mind. So anyway, we have done this. So thank you so much for joining our today's session. I hope now you have a clear understanding of GPT-01 and how it differs from previous models. So stay tuned for more updates as OpenAI continue to improve this exciting technology. Okay, so 本日のセッションに参加していただきありがとうございました。役に立ったことを願っています。次の日曜日にはまた新しい興味深いトピックでお会いしましょう。
Okay, thank you, Yuval. Thank you, everybody. See you next week. Goodbye.
See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.